Who doesn't love to go hiking or camping? Well, I think we all do. And here we have some incredible camping inventions that you absolutely must see. The following kit is truly a revolutionary invention, made with a careful combination of materials, including PU, velvet, and polyester, and equipped with strong YKK zippers. The backpack is a true all-terrain. Designed to work perfectly with the Air Lounger, it's also suitable for everyday use, whether on outdoor adventures or in the city. Its solid and stylish construction and perfect blend of style and functionality make it a practical and reliable companion for any situation and need. Let the quality and utility of this backpack convince you. Made of durable 40D nylon, this high-end air mattress is lightweight and durable, making it the perfect companion for any outdoor excursion. It provides optimal comfort on any type of surface, regardless of its texture, in addition to functioning as a resting surface. On the other hand, this mini pump, equipped with a powerful 1300 mAh lithium battery, represents the most efficient and simple technology. It facilitates the process of inflating and deflating your air mattress in a comfortable and practical way. Discover for yourself the comfort and efficiency of this mini pump. And this is just the beginning, because if you like it, the next one will take you to the next level. Let's discover the coolest camping gadgets on the market. The Lancer 300 is a must-have for photography enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its unique exoskeleton design not only adds a touch of style, but also ensures a comfortable and ergonomic user experience, even during long photo sessions. This tripod offers unmatched versatility with its quarter-inch screw that's compatible with a wide range of cameras, from compact to professional as well as lighting equipment. Plus, its 1.5-meter extension and full 360-degree rotation give you the freedom to find the perfect angle in any situation. As if that weren't enough, its 300-watt power station ensures that you'll never run out of battery power at the crucial moment of a photo session. With the Lancer 300, every moment is captured with precision and style, without worrying about battery life or tripod stability. But if that was one fascinating marvel of technology, the next one will amaze you just as much, if not more. Meet the Geyser portable cleaning and showering system. This innovative system, powered by a 12-volt battery, promises to save you time, water, and the stress of getting dirty on your travels. Using just 0.8 gallons of water, you can enjoy up to 15 minutes of constant water pressure, allowing you to carry less water and maintain impeccable hygiene at all times. With the standard options, simply mix 2 liters of cold water and 1 liter of hot water for a perfect 102 degrees Celsius hot shower in less than 5 minutes. Or choose the heater option that automatically raises the water temperature in 15 to 45 minutes and shuts off at 102 degrees Celsius. Its adjustable control valve makes it easy to regulate water pressure, while the included cleaning sponge, ideal for dishes and showers, can be removed to reveal a spray nozzle when you need extra pressure. Equipped with an LED control panel, it keeps you informed of your water status and level with temperature, heat mode, and low water indicators. It works with any 12-volt battery source, including your vehicle, making it an ideal companion for camping, outdoor activities, dishwashing, or even bathing your pet. And that's just the beginning of what we're about to see. So get ready to experience emotions you never knew you had with the following features. As essential for your next excursion, the portable outdoor sink is a versatile solution for maintaining cleanliness anywhere. With a spacious sink and a 17.6-liter water tank, it's perfect for a variety of outdoor activities, from backyard gatherings to camping and barbecues. It also features an integrated soap dispenser and a handy towel holder, making it both convenient and functional. Its all-in-one design includes a stainless steel towel rack and carrying handle for portability. With a capacity of up to 1.2 gallons of water, this sink is ideal for washing hands, soaking clothes, rinsing dishes, and more. Now let's explore the coolest camping invention on the market. This comprehensive propane outdoor campfire cooking kit offers a versatile and safe solution for enjoying outdoor cooking in a variety of locations. Whether camping, in the backyard, at the beach, or at outdoor events, its sturdy stainless steel construction ensures durability and easy portability, so you can take the campfire and grilling experience with you wherever you go. Its collapsible design makes assembly a matter of seconds, while the 5-foot propane hose gives you the flexibility to quickly connect it to a refillable propane cylinders of various sizes. The removable grill insert includes a convenient handle for easy and safe handling and an external grease tray for easier cleaning. In addition, its mesh sides improve flame visibility and heat transfer, while the adjustable flame allows you to control heat intensity to suit your needs. Measuring 15.5 by 6.5 by 10.75 inches, it easily folds down to 12 by 6.25 by 8.5 inches, making it ideal for transporting in your vehicle or storing when not in use. Weighing 13.8 pounds, it's light enough to take with you wherever you go to enjoy a delicious outdoor meal. We must talk about this invention that'll truly mark a before and after in science. Enhance your camping experience with inventions like this. The Scrubba TM wash bag is the world's most compact laundry machine, ideal for apartment living, travel, and camping. Wash your clothes wherever and whenever you want, avoiding public laundromats. Effectively clean your clothes with the help of hundreds of internal Scrubba TM nodules. Reduce the amount of laundry you carry with you when you travel, thanks to its ability to achieve machine-quality laundry in just minutes and in 6 simple steps. Avoid the hassle of washing clothes in dirty hotel sinks and extra baggage fees by packing less. Plus, save money and water by washing your clothes while you travel. This washer weighs only about 150 grams, 5.3 ounces, is pocket-sized, and has user instructions printed on the outside for added convenience. It also has a clear window to monitor wash and water levels, as well as a non-slip coating on the outside to prevent slipping during the wash process. It has an air release valve and can be used as a dry bag when not in use. It's totally awesome, right? Well, the next invention will amaze you just as much. The Leatherman MUT is an innovative multi-tool that combines tactical functionality with practicality for use in military, law enforcement, or civilian situations. Equipped with interchangeable tools for firearms, the MUT is a must-have in any kit. It offers a wide range of features, including pliers, wire cutters, knives, saws, hammers, bolt override tools, and more. Its ergonomic design allows for one-handed use, giving you the freedom to multitask with confidence, even in the most demanding situations. Plus, its compact size and pocket clip ensure it's always within reach when you need it. And additional storage for an extra bit adds to its versatility and usefulness. And this is just the beginning, because if you like this one, you'll want to check out what's coming up next. Want to discover inventions that take camping to the next level? The T8 Hub Tent offers maximum comfort for your outdoor adventures. With room for up to 8 people, this spacious design is perfect for large families or groups of friends. Its generous space also provides additional storage for gear and accessories, keeping everything organized and protected. The oversized rainfly easily attaches to the roof panels for added protection from the elements, whether it be the scorching sun or a sudden downpour. With 2 sleeping berths and a zippered privacy panel, you'll enjoy a quiet and private environment for comfortable rest. With an interior height of 78 inches, you'll have plenty of room to move around without feeling cramped. Plus, the cube-like design makes it easy to set up, saving you time and effort, so you can make the most of your time outdoors. If you like this invention, get ready to be blown away by the next one. Enhance your rest with a Darch XL Double Stretcher, a double-sized stretcher that revolutionizes camping. It doesn't have a hard support bar in the middle, making it a comfortable option for up to 2 people. You can use it with the 1400 and Nebula vestibles or as a standalone stretcher in tents and shelters. Stretchers can completely change your camping experience. By lifting you off the ground, it protects you from the cold and allows for better air circulation under the vest. Plus, for campers with knee problems, it's easier to get on and off a stretcher than on the ground. You don't have to sacrifice your favorite swag because the XL Double Stretcher is designed to fit models like the Dusk to Dawn, Dirty D, and Airvolution 1400, as well as Double Swag. In addition, its innovative design allows it to be stowed away in minutes and can support up to 250 kilograms of weight. It comes with a sturdy carry bag and can be set up in just 3 easy steps. Made with a sturdy, powder-coated steel frame and alloy, this stretcher is perfect for 1 or 2 people. If you like these inventions and need more, you can check out our channel for more. Have a great day.